The income of Amala is 20% more than that of Bimala and 20% less than that of Kamala. If Kamala's income goes down by 4% and Bimala's goes up by 10%, then the percentage by which Kamala's income would exceed Bimala's is nearest to. Okay, first let's get an expression for Amala's income, Bimala's income, and Kamala's income. So let's take it here. Incomes of Amala, Bimala, and Kamala. It is given Amala's income is 20% more than that of Bimala. So if I take Bimala's income as 10x, Amala's I can take as 12x, 20% more than 10x. And it is also 20% less than Kamala. So this is only 80% of Kamala's income. So Kamala's income I can write as 12x by 0.8. So if you are in an exam where you are allowed calculator, you can just put 12 by 0.8 and get the value. I'm just assuming that if you're not in an exam where you're allowed calculator, what you're supposed to do. So in that case, what you can do is you can simplify this further. So 0.8 I can write as 4 by 5. 4 I can cancel with this. So that will give me 15x. Great. So 12x, 10x, and 15x are the values for their incomes. Now let's look at the changes that are happening. If Kamala's income goes down by 4% and Bimala's goes up by 10%, okay, let's do the changes. Kamala's income goes down by 4%. Again, if you are allowed to calculate in the exam, you just do 0.96 of 15. That is the remaining 96%, right? After it has gone down by 4%. Let's say you are in an exam where you're not allowed a calculator. In that case, you can do this calculation easily because 4%, 1% of 15x, 10% of 15x is what? 1.5x, right? So 1% of 15x will be 0.15x. So 4% is going to be this into 4, that is 0.6x. That 0.6x I'll have to subtract from 15x. So minus 0.6x. So what do we get? We get 14.4x. So that is the income of Kamala after 4% decrease. And Bimala's goes up by 10%. So I'll have to increase this by 10%. So 10% of 10 is 1. So this increases by 1x. So this will come to 11x. So these are the values of their incomes after the increase and the decrease. Then the percentage by which Kamala's income would exceed Bimala's is nearest to. So we'll have to find out how much is Kamala's exceeding Bimala, and that as a percentage of Bimala. So this is what we are supposed to find out. So Kamala's new value is 14.4x, Bimala's is 11x. We'll have to substitute that here in this expression to get the answer. Let's do that. So 14.4x minus 11x, that's going to be 3.4x by Bimala's value is 11x into 100. If you have calculator, it's a damn simple calculation. 3.4 by 11, you have to see which of these values is closest to that. If you don't have calculator in whatever exam you are appearing, then let's see how you can approach this question. So 3.11, the percentage, 3 by 11, the percentage equivalent is 27.27. Okay, 1 by 11 is 9.09. So 3 by 11 is 3 into 9, 27.27. So the 3 by 11 would give me 27.27. Now that 0.4, if I take 4 by 11, that is 36.36%. So if it is 3.4, then what I'm supposed to do is 27.27 plus, now this is not 4, I have got 0.4. So I'll have to move the decimal one step to the left. So it will become 3.636. This is actually 27.27272727. It keeps on going like that. So as I have 3 digits here, I can probably put a 2 here as well. Now let's quickly add it to see what the value is coming to. So this is going to be 8, 7 plus 3, 10, remainder 1, that's going to be 9.03. So I'm getting 30.90 something. So our answer is very close to 31. Answer is 31 for this question.